Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to pack a zero-waste lunch without plastic. So let's dive into it. Every day around the world, millions of plastic lunch bags, plastic straws, and plastic utensils are thrown away. But with a few simple swaps, your lunch can be both delicious and waste-free. Let's get started with the basics. Begin with a reusable lunchbox or container. Stainless steel or BPA-free silicone food containers are perfect alternatives to plastic. They're durable and can be used again and again. And if you're looking for something to carry a few smaller items like wraps or sandwiches, these mini glass containers are a great option. Just be sure to add some sort of padding like a cloth towel to protect them from breaking. Next, say goodbye to plastic wraps like saran wrap and replace them with reusable wraps, including beeswax wraps. Beeswax wraps are made from cotton cloth coated in beeswax, which makes them naturally sticky to hold things together. To use them, simply wrap the fabric around your food and tuck it in by twisting the ends. For storing snacks or sandwiches, you can also use reusable silicone food wraps. These flexible wraps are perfect for covering bowls or wrapping up sandwiches. Simply wash them with soap and water when they get dirty. Finally, don't forget about cloth wraps. These are an inexpensive and easy way to reduce waste when you need to wrap something up on the go. Bringing your own utensils is another essential step to reduce waste. Most workplaces or schools will let you use your own utensils rather than providing single-use plastics. You can bring a full cutlery set including a fork, knife and spoon, or choose a travel spork that does double duty. If you're tight on space, sporks are available in multiple styles including ones with rounded edges to make eating soup easier. Spork also has a sleek design, making it a great zero-waste gift idea for students. In addition to cutting down on waste, packing your own lunch can actually save you money. It can cost upwards of $1,000 a year just to buy lunch at school or work. So talk to your family about what you can pack ahead of time so you have a healthy, affordable lunch every day. So now that you have a great lunchbox and some cool reusable utensils, it's time to think about what you're putting inside. First, always wash your produce before you eat it. But did you know that pre-cut fruits and vegetables often come with single-use plastic bags? Try to buy whole foods and cut them up yourself to avoid unnecessary waste. That means washing, chopping and storing your own fruits and vegetables instead of buying pre-packaged options. This may seem like it takes more work, but it's actually quicker than you might think. One prep tip is to cut your veggies before the week starts and store them in airtight containers. This saves you time during the busy school or work week. You can even get your whole family involved in meal prep on the weekends. Check out our weekend meal prep playlist for ideas. We've got plenty of tips to help you pack your favorite fruits and veggies. Think about your favorite fruits and veggies and pack those. If you love apples, try bringing apple slices with a squeeze of lemon juice to prevent browning. Or pack your favorite raw veggies with a tasty dip for dipping. There are endless possibilities. So remember, it's okay to pack the same thing every day. You don't have to reinvent the wheel each morning. As long as you love what you're eating, then it's a win. Now it's time to pack the rest of your lunch. Think about adding a main dish like a sandwich, salad, or leftovers from dinner. For sandwiches, you can make classics like peanut butter and jelly on whole grain bread or try a fun recipe like Sweet Earthy's avocado hummus wraps. Just be sure to use reusable wraps or beeswax wraps instead of plastic wrap. Salads are also a great option. You can toss greens and veggies into a bowl, add a protein like chickpeas or grilled chicken and dress it all up with your favorite vinaigrette. Leftovers are also a fantastic way to reduce waste. If you have extra dinner, bring it to school or work the next day for a quick and easy lunch. All these options can be stored in your stainless steel or silicone lunchbox. And don't forget about snacks. We've got a whole video on zero-waste snack hacks. Check it out for some inspiration. Some great options include fruit, homemade granola bars, popcorn, pretzels, or nuts. For wet or messy snacks like yogurt, applesauce, or hummus, reusable silicone snack pouches are your best friend. They're easy to use, wash, and reuse. By packing whole foods and homemade snacks, you'll avoid many of the wrappers and excessive packaging that come with processed foods. If you're not quite ready to bring your own utensils to school or work, you can start by using cloth napkins instead of paper ones. Cloth napkins are washable, stylish, and feel better in your hands than disposables. Plus, if you need to wipe up a spill, they're much more effective than one-time use napkins. Many companies also make napkins from recycled materials, saving even more resources. Finally, don't forget to bring a water bottle. Instead of disposable plastic bottles, consider a stainless steel or glass bottle that you can refill throughout the day. If you prefer cold drinks, try a stainless steel insulated bottle to keep your beverages icy cold. If you want to take hot liquids like soup or herbal tea, bring a thermos. Small sizes are perfect for kids and adults on the go. And now you're well on your way to packing a zero-waste lunch. As you master these skills, you can start thinking about reducing waste in other areas of your life like your bathroom routine or how you shop for clothes. One last bonus tip: pack a waste-free kit. No matter what you pack for lunch, always carry a small kit with essentials like a container, cutlery, a napkin, and a reusable bag. Then if you end up with takeout or a coffee with friends, you'll be prepared to ditch the disposables. A waste-free kit is also handy for days when you forget to pack a full lunch and need to grab something on the go. It's a great backup plan. Reducing waste isn't just good for the planet, it can also save you money and look awesome too. When you pack your lunch, take pride in knowing you're doing something great for the earth. And don't worry if it takes some time to adjust. Start small and build from there. Before you know it, you'll be an expert at packing waste-free lunches. Small changes like packing a zero-waste lunch may seem small, but they can make a big impact. By switching to a zero-waste lunch, you'll be helping to reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills. And when more people do the same, it creates a ripple effect that inspires others to make changes too. Thanks for watching. Remember, every step counts, whether it's swapping single-use plastics for reusable items or simply being mindful of the waste we produce. By working together, we can protect the environment for generations to come. So go forth, pack your waste-free lunch and make a positive impact on the planet.